Welcome to Nyugati. It's one of the most iconic and beautiful railway stations in Budapest. It's not just a transportation hub, it's also architectural history.
Budapest White Station was built in 1877. In those days, railway is not only a means of the transportation, but also a symbol of national modernization and ambitions. Designer of this station is also the company that helped to build the Eiffel Tower.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin.
Nyugati is located in the heart of the city, so to come here it's super easy. You can take a blue line metro M3 or a tram 6 and 4, which works 24 hours.
How did you arrive here? Was it easy to arrive to this train station?
Yeah. Arriving here is pretty much very easy.
Which
Just one tram from city center and then you're here.
From here you can travel to Hungarian cities like Szeged, Eger, Debrecen, but also you can travel to Bratislava, Vienna, Praga and Berlin.
And there's a lot of ticket machine. You can buy ticket there, so it's just come and see. Ticket purchase, and you can buy like rail, bus, and suburban railways there. And you can not only buy a ticket for us or for yourself, and you can also buy a ticket for dog ticket and for bicycle ticket and for further discount. You can, if you are a student, you can choose your student ID or you can get discount.
So grab your scarf and goggles, let's fly. I've mapped out our journey, we're up here to stay. A sunset is our home, a moonbeam we will own. My spirit of adventure is you.
From its founding to this day, we can see the glory of the empire and war, but it always has seemed still here.
during World War II, it was used in the deportation of Hungarian Jews, many of whom were sent into the concentration camps.
You can see a lot of steels and a lot of glass. They are all from 19th century.
This station was damaged, bombed, but then rebuilt. Standing here, you realize how much history it has inside.
The fanciest McDonald's in the world. I mean, look at the entrance, there's a gold menu outside.
Спорим?
I don't think you're going to believe me when
I found the most beautiful McDonald's in the world.
Who says fast food can be fancy? Nyugati's McDonald's was voted the most beautiful McDonald's in the world, and it's literally in the 19th century's palace. The Hungarian heritage law required to protecting this place, so that's why you see the historical McDonald's there.
Also, right next to Nyugati train station, you can taste Hungarian national dish, which is kurtosh kalach, or in English chimney cake, which costs only €2. Come on, let's try it.
And this is a map. You can check where you need to go and how to they go. And you can check the shop there and what you want to buy or something else. You can all find there. And you can also find information on this online. And you can scan this QR code, then the timetable is in your pocket.
So wake me up when
I'm wiser than I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
And are you waiting for someone or are you traveling?
I'm just waiting. My girlfriend lives in Nyugati, so I usually go to her.
To these days, this station remains one of the most important railway hubs in Budapest.
And now I hope you learned a lot about Nyugati railway station.
Next time you're here, you're gonna remember how much beauty and history it holds.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, so that's fine by me.